Hi, this is Adila. She is very kind and hardworking person. She always help her parents to clean up the house. She loved to clean the tree, the plant, the ground, and the garden. Feeling hot, huh? Do you think that she is like it? Let's check it out.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, the video just now is not me. I'm doing that for the video only. Okay, for this video. So, this is the real Adila. Okay, my name is Nur Adila Fitriani binti Nur Azman and I'm from Kuantan, Pahang. You can call me Dila, Adila. Okay, I am 20 something years old. You guess. Comment below, down below. You guess my age. Alright, I have 3 siblings. I was the firstborn. Currently study at UiTM Puncak Alam in IB, which is International Business. And I love my family so much. I also have a lot of friends, and also the society. I think by looking at me, you guys should know what I love to do. I mean, I love to eat, sleep and repeat. Eat, sleep and repeat. And yeah, I really love food. I appreciate food so much, especially Arabic. I love to eat Arabic food. So yeah, if anyone who watch my video and want to give me some gift, please buy me Arabic food. I will love it, definitely. Alright, so besides foods, I also love to do water sport activities such as jet ski, banana boats, ahead, donuts, and parasailing, paragliding, and many more. I don't remember the things that I write, the name of the things that I write, I don't remember it. But it's really fun. This is the video, my trip at Langkawi. I ride the jet ski to go to the 6 islands for 4 hours, I guess. Yes, 4 hours. We travel 6 islands by riding the jet ski. It's a very good experience, enjoyable. Yeah, you guys should try with your family. Or also, you can try with friends. Maybe, yes, friends. Apart from that, I also love to hang out with my friends, hunting for foods, delicious food. Food, again. We love to take photos. Not me, they love to take photos. So that's all. Okay, I think all my friends also want this. I mean, we are expecting a very clear guidance from the lecturer, especially you, Dr. Akma. Because I think this course is really tough. We deal with the real situation, the real, what we call the real job, and get paid. Just need a good and clear guidance so that we can perform well in this course. And yeah, we are hoping for a enjoyable, fun environment too in this class. So yeah, that's it. Problems. Okay, so far, Alhamdulillah, I think I don't have any problem in terms of computer or internet connection so far. But I don't know in future how. Okay, so yeah, inshallah I will not face any problem to attend the class. But then the only thing that I concern is about this course itself, because I think this is quite tough course because yeah, me myself is a person who always try or wants to pass the exam or the course with the flying colours result. But yeah, really hope for the good guidance from the lecturer. Don't get bored to us, because yeah, we will always ask your opinion, ask you how to do this, how to do that. And yeah, that's the only problem for me, the course itself. I will try my best, inshallah. Thank you.